the water on the floor. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but this thing is soaking wet. You can definitely see the water right there. Oh, it's terrible. But this thing at one point in its life was a pretty blue. Chevy did always have some good factory colors. Alright, here it is. And you can just see all the water that's down there in my foot. It's gross. I'm a terrible car owner. You can see all the mold up around in there. I need a shower. This is gross. Alright. I got everything cleaned out of there that I'm going to take out. So next we'll get in there and we'll dry this thing out. Clean the metal up with some bleach. Get all the interior that's over there. Over there. Cleaned up. Get it going. I'm going to pull the pressure washer out and blast that carpet and the seats. I'm not going to do that to the headliner. I was originally, but it's pretty fragile. I'm afraid if I get it wet, it'll die. So I'm going to go after that with a hand scrubbing that. So, yeah, this is terrible. I'm a terrible person. Okay. Here's the carpet after a day or so of drying. It's better than it was, but at least there's no mold on it. So it's a lot better than it ever has been. So we'll call that as a victory. I got the seats over here. Seats are still a little damp after a day, but they came out all right. Like I said, this is still the cleanest this car has ever been with my ownership. And I probably could have done. And there's my bucket of chemicals that I'm going to use to scrub the floorboard with now that it's completely dried. So I'm going to get in there first and vacuum everything. Get all the loose stuff up, all the trash that's built up in the corners around these seats. Get that all vacuumed up. And then I'll get in here and scrub it. And then I'll let it dry from there. Wipe it up and let it dry. I'm going to do that. And then I also need to scrub all my plastics. And I need to go a little gentle on this headliner, but I'm still going to clean it nonetheless. Alright guys, got it vacuumed. Like I said, it still needs to be washed, but I found an issue. So I need to correct that now because I can't correct it later just as easy. And if you look around this mount here for the seat, you'll notice it's all cracked out. So see the crack all along here, all into here. That's bad. So I need to get that cleaned up, then hammer it back up and get it welded. So I guess that's on my list of things to do to this truck now too. Cool. That is a whole lot better. Not perfect, but a whole lot better. We might scrub a little bit more at it. I don't know. We'll see.